So hello, welcome back to another video. This is day 3. If you guys haven't watched day 1 or day 2, go ahead and check out my last video. We have one flight today. Don't know where it's going, I just got here, so nobody talking. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys are enjoying the rep agent video. Sorry if you can't hear me, I got my mask on. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys whenever I give you guys the next video. Just made it back to our building. We had 2 planes today. One came from Country Sun or something like that. And then the same plane was going out to Fort Myers. And then I don't know where the flight that we just came from. I gotta check it again. But yes, I am almost done. I'm about to probably work on some modules and then leave. Hey guys, it is the next day. This is day 4 of a 4-day work day. So I'm currently at McDonald's, as you guys can see. I had to get me a coffee because today, I don't know today. But yeah, so I'm getting coffee right now, and then I'm going to head over to work. But I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos so far. Let me know if you guys want me to do other stuff besides just Rampage and stuff. Give me 1 second. Hey guys, so I'm going to try to properly end off the video. I'm basically going to give you guys a rundown on what happened today. So we had a flight going all the way over to Punta Cana, and we marshaled out the flight as normal, but our de-ice trucks wasn't working, so it caused the flight to be delayed by like an hour or so. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.